V2i Realtime is without doubt one of the most incredible times of my professional career to date. It's a combination of the last 30 years of my urban design and master planning, the last 15 years in high definition digital storytelling, and the last 7 years in emerging industries such as health, education, online learning, and gas resource and mining. In more recent years, we've then combined that experience with the incredible emergence of virtual reality and the enormous expansion of the gaming industry, and bringing those technologies back into mainstream business, and in particular, the property industry. Here are just a few examples of what V2i Realtime is delivering. The ability to visit a site and walk around it without leaving your desk. Understanding contours, slope analysis, location of featured trees to be retained, and the like. The ability to easily understand regional connectivity and context, and the distance between your site and a particular regional or site-specific activity. The ability to understand the impact of shadow analysis at any time of the day on any given day. We can analyse the visual impact of planting from day one to fully grown maturity or anywhere in between. We have tools and applications that can look at the influence of tides or how overland flows or flood levels impact an area. A tool which can help test the location of proposed roads and how they feel over particular parts of the site. Just imagine the enormous amounts of time and money which can be saved in trying to describe site features through traditional technical plans, sections, reports, etc. We can test design outcomes from basic hand-drawn sketches, enabling meaningful conversations and discussions which lead to more efficient and collaborative decisions and outcomes. Imagine how it will transform the industry when users can take control and be present and immersed in the space and understand it in a way which is comfortable to them. And then for the ability for them to take their own snapshots or perspectives of items which are important to them, and then create, save and email the information to themselves or other colleagues anywhere in the world. Materials and finishes can be selected and swapped out from a design point of view, and then importantly from a sales and marketing point of view. This material selection can also be tied into financial ramifications of these decisions. So there is the ability to understand not only the visual appeal or impact, but importantly, the economic impact also. We also have the opportunity to link the real world with the virtual world through an online shop style experience, opening up an enormous array of product placement relationships and procurement opportunities. We can create an environment where you can have an online conversation, take notes, whether written or verbal, and have those recorded and placed in a virtual environment for third parties who may not have been present in the discussion to then have the ability to log on and track conversations and visually understand the decision being made. The Plan View tool allows users to view a 3D floor plan, adjusting the desired view angle using the mouse, and zooming in and out of the scene to fully appreciate the spatial features of the plan. V2i Realtime, as it says, provides real-time output, which means we can produce stunning high-definition animations in literally minutes rather than days or weeks. And likewise, we can produce high-definition perspectives in seconds. Once created, we are able to convert these assets into an educational game which can provide hours of entertainment for children of all ages. V2i Realtime also allows for the creation of fully interactive customer or planning portals, utilising any number of customisable features to engage users on a deeper level and, importantly, to collect relevant data to support business outcomes. We're able to introduce existing technologies such as Google Street View, so you can explore and interact with various regional assets. We can introduce a series of filters or criteria which enable the user to refine their search in an easy and enjoyable way. This technology provides senior management and decision makers with a direct link to their customers and users, limiting errors, omissions and misunderstandings. V2i Realtime tracks everything which is occurring across thousands of users in real time, enabling easy to understand data analytics which is accessible anywhere in the world at the push of a button. Users are able to add desired information to a personalised online brochure that can be reviewed, displayed and printed out directly, and emailed out within seconds for viewing, anytime, anywhere. Just imagine the cost savings in printing alone that this will provide. Our focus is on reducing overall project timelines and costs and improving business and project efficiencies from day one in the process. Our vision is to completely transform stakeholder and user engagement from due diligence through design and approvals onto sales and marketing and beyond. What's incredible is that we've just started to scratch the surface on this immersive technology. And what's amazing is what's on the horizon and how fast it's approaching. It's wonderfully exciting times, and we look forward to shaping and sharing this journey with you. If you're interested in learning more about V2i Realtime, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your time and interest.